Welcome to MarineMax Clearwater. This is Brian Bachland, and today I'll be walking you through the 2018 Sea Ray 19 SPX Outboard. And this particular boat has the all-sport package, which includes an electric trolling motor, beautiful solid white colored hull, and this boat is powered by a 115 horsepower Mercury Pro SX 4-stroke outboard. So let's hop aboard and take a look. As you can see, a very large sun pad at the transom of the vessel with the tow post. The pad does remove for a rear casting platform, which you can stand on without marking up your cushions. Entering the boat, there's a live well under the rear seat, in-floor storage, convertible lounge seating for the passenger on the port side, full dash with depth, and Rockford Fosgate marine grade stereo and speakers, storage under the port side helm, or dash that is. And moving forward, one of the differentiators of the all-sport package is the forward casting deck, so you can remove the cushion and you can see the inserts in place. So you can fish forward unobstructed and stand a little higher for a great view. And once again, the trolling motor. If you'd like more information about this boat or any other that we have in stock, please feel free to give me a call. Again, my name is Brian Bachland, 813-503-2649. Thank you.